Hey, to add your fingerprint into the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, first of all, you will have to move into the settings. Then you will have to start scrolling and move for security and privacy. Next, you will have to scroll for device unlock and click on the face unlock and the fingerprint unlock. Then select fingerprint, and now you will have to actually input your lock screen password. If you don't have the lock screen password, you will have to create it right now. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Click here, and now we can actually input our screen lock 2 times. And now you can actually keep tapping on the sensor. It's located here. So each time you feel vibration, you will have to actually move your finger, basically lift your finger and put it back until you fulfill this sensor icon with the blue color. So you have to scan the left part of your fingerprint, the top part, the right part, basically all of the edges of your fingerprint. Just keep tapping and you will be able to actually finally use it. It actually takes some time, but just keep touching and it's done. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.